The sound of Om is a combination of three syllables, A, U, and M. It is said that Om, the sound of Om, covers the expanse of this universe. What's the widest that you can open your mouth? Ah, right? Can anyone here open their mouth any wider than that? I doubt it. And what's the minimal sound that you can make with your mouth shut? The sound of M. So the maximum sound that you can make and the loudest sound that you can make is probably A. And the minimal, softest sound that you can make is M. So the spectrum of all words that can be spoken, all conversation that can be had, any dialogue that can be had is within the range of A and M. The dialogue that you have with the external world and the dialogue that you have with yourself, your internal world. Doesn't the world only exist for you from your perspective? The world is because you are. To gauge the depth of Om, Patanjali says, Tad japas tadartha bhavanam, which means as you repeat the sound of Om outside and inside, loudly, the ahata, and inside, anahata, the one that you recollect, you learn to feel the meaning, you learn to experience the meaning, you learn to know the expanse